Coffee with the Money Miracle Man time. Men and women are fundamentally different. I know a lot of people are gonna hate me for saying that. No, I'm not saying anything against women. Women can and should be able to do anything, but they should not have to. As men, it's our duty to watch over our partner, our women. The Bible says that men should love their wives, and there's a lot of people taking it out of context, going, the Bible just wants women to obey their husbands, but in the next verse it clarifies, husbands, love your wife. I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and there's another one coming up, and if you would be so kind as to subscribe and make sure to hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video or go live, and be much appreciated. Live longer, feel better, and add life to your years.